Maharam Government Higher Secondary School Mogurwan, kadai kawai na ki knai tali ki school, ki balara ya kanam job haga district level students science seminar arhajar arpulai, kabla penlong daga office jog district schools education officer. Southwest Khas Hills District, halor kapang millets is superfood or a dyed fat. Hapo ka hol jog Maharam Government High Secondary School Mogurwan. Kum shibanta jong jing pen kre ban rakhi ka National Science Seminar ka ban salong haka khadar tarik Urisau arjar arpulai hanong ba Delhi rangkat ke jinga trailang bat ki jela ni ki Union Territory haka ba kapang kadai millets is superfood or a dyed fat. Ka jingtmu jong kani ka program kalong ban jet iki khana school na ki district level ki ban sami khman haka state level mat kumjuru haka national level haka ba langba kani haka district level and penslur bat aimen sim ya ki khana school bakin day ban le rang ban mi shakman ban wani shibanta hakir san langba ka jingpan I jongki ya ka sap ka phong bakidon ban long ki khana school ka ba kem bat kre ne ki jing shisha ka ba kilap pen kre langba ki jingai jingmot na kinong hikai.
A small grain annual cereal belonging to grass family. They are red with hardly grains which require low water and fertility when compared to other popular cereals like rice or wheat. They are highly tolerant to drought and other extreme weather conditions. Millets are termed as nutritious. Millets are considered to be the flavor among people who are into healthy eating. Millets are often termed as the power of nutrition, are also a superfood or a diet fat. Ragi. The ragi millet is popular for its nutritional benefits and it is famous in the southern part of India. It helps in controlling type 2 diabetes. Number 3, foxtail millet. Foxtail millet or turnip millet is usually grown in semi-arid region. It has a good source of dietary fiber and mineral like iron and zinc. It helps in controlling cholesterol. Number 4, sorghum millet. It is commonly called jowar in India. It is rich in iron.
For food and human food. It is an important crop in the arid and semi-arid tropic of Asia and Africa. It is an integral part of our diet for many past generations, but it has been forgotten and neglected until recently. This year, 2023, is the International Year of Millet as declared by the UN General Assembly. The UN declared 2023 as the International Year of Millet for awareness about the nutrition and health benefits of millets with the aim to create awareness about and increase the consumption and production of millets. This crop for millets is favored due to its high productivity and short growing seasons and its adaptability to different soil. It does not take much time and pampering as is required for rice and maize. The best thing about growing millet is that it provides health benefits and nutrition for us.
Cereal crops and a group of small seeded grasses. They are also known as gourds and can be grown on less fertile or sandy soil. It also requires less water when compared to other staple grains like rice and wheat.
As the International Year of Millets, the types of millets grown in India are brown top millet, kodo millet, barnyard millet, foxtail millet, little millet, finger millet, pearl millet, proso millet and sorghum millet. And the types of millets grown in Meghalaya are foxtail millet, finger millet, chapstier millet and sorghum millet. This is our study area. We conducted a survey in Umdulun area of Mogurwan block, which is in southwest Khasi Hill district of Meghalaya in India. We conducted this survey by giving question to the people of Umdulun area, and we got responses from people belonging to Umdulun, Tangdilan, Rangkiat, and Auru.
So that each and every school will have to get the chance to participate in this type of exposure, like this district science student science seminar. We used to have a science exhibition also, but regarding that also, there are some schools that we select, and there are some schools that they get the chance to participate in the science exhibition, but there are some schools who did not get the chance. But even then, we try to change from one year to the other year so that all schools in the district will get a chance to participate and to show your talent, to show your what you have regarding these type of exhibition or seminars. That's why in today's program we have this district level student science seminar.
Okay, to become a winners, because sometimes we can see most of the school in the urban areas of Maharam area, they are winners, but the remote schools, okay, they cannot achieve, okay, whatever as a winners. But I hope that by the guiding, okay, the proper guiding of your teachers, along with your participation, okay, when you present something in this kind of seminar, because they have give you guidelines, okay, there are many guidelines, there are many rules and regulations that we have to follow, and evaluation system also is based on some criteria. So I would like to suggest to all the teachers, okay, the ESCOT teachers, and also to the participants, to read carefully the guidelines or the rules and regulations regarding the evaluation process, because if you do not do that criteria, then you lose marks. So it is not that you do not do well, all of you have done well, but the thing is that the difference in the some of you have fulfilled all the criteria and some of you have not fulfilled all the criteria. So that is the basic difference why some of you are winners and some of you are losers. And I would like to say, okay, and most of the participants, they have comments that as we can see from your presentation, means the majority says that it is a superfood, right? Because we can get so many health benefits, okay? So that team, okay, it is not directly that you have to choose that topic, okay? This is just a suggestion. If other competition, okay, in the next year come, so do not select direct team, okay, as a topic. You can like some school, no, they have selected sub team, which is related to the theme, okay, of the seminar, okay, and you can, okay, do some kind of innovative study, like I have seen in the case of Maharam school, no? They have done a case study, okay, which is related to our district, okay. So that becomes innovative and it makes some impression, okay, to the judges also, okay. So do not stress only on the topic. And why this year is considered as a this topic, I have to go beyond that. Okay, it is because the United Nations, okay, together with India, they have considered this year as an international, year for millet. Okay, everything, okay, in the presentation, we should write the point, because as I have seen some of the students, okay, I also was once a student, so I cannot remember everything. Okay, even though I am teacher also, I cannot remember everything. So what we do is that, okay, we write the points, and then from the points we can, explain whatever you understand. And I would like to request the teachers concerned, if you present the chart or the presentation, to please let the student, okay, by her or himself, to do the, the typing and so on. Because I know most of us, we know how to handle smartphone. So if we know how to handle smartphone means we know how to type. Okay, because when you type it by yourself, you become confident when you present. Okay, the presentation and also the chart. Who will represent the district level? Okay, so even though you have used the chart, so chart compared to the PowerPoint presentation is a modern technology. So when we represent to the state level, I think so you can carry the chart, But I would like to suggest to do a PowerPoint presentation also, because I think so in the state level when you go, most of the students they will present with PowerPoint presentation. So it become too traditional for us, okay, from the district level. And judges to sum up a bit, okay, or to have to comment something about the program that is a science seminar for today's function. So as we have already seen with our own eyes, okay, about the presentation, okay, some of you
schools and students who are taking part in this seminar. As I would like to express, I'm very delighted. And this seminar is a wonderful platform for all the young students who have taken part in this seminar. Because from here, it will launch not only your career and everything, it will also display your knowledge, your studies and your research, and it increases collaboration between both schools and every student that have taken part here. As we all know, science is one of the more complex and fundamental subjects. It's a very dynamic subject that requires constant effort and time to master this subject, because through science we've benefited in every way in our daily lives, whether in terms of transportation, agriculture, or progress in our day-to-day life. Even now we see science is making rapid progress through nanotechnology. So I believe each and every one of you will contribute a lot to progress not only for the district but for the state as a whole. And I also would like to encourage those who are not here at the same time, maybe it's teachers, to keep doing the good work so that we will bring a very, I would say that we'll bring much more development to our state. So with these few words, I would like to once again congratulate each and everyone. Thank you.